When two neutron stars collide with each other, they create something called a kilonova. Now, while this isn't likely to happen near Earth anytime soon, if it did, the kilonova would shine night and day as bright as the moon, but squeezed into a small dot, according to Science News. The event was described in a study posted to archive.org, and researchers say it would be the brightest thing in the sky. And in a report published in Nature, a kilonova did occur 1,000 light years away from where Earth is today, although this was roughly 80 million years before the solar system formed, and it laced the solar system with the elements that make up our planets now. So researchers took a kilonova explosion discovered in 2017 that was 130 million light years away, and simulated the light spectrum as if it were 1,000 light years away. Now, one that happens that close to Earth could happen once every 100 million years, so it's unlikely that we'll see one, which is probably a good thing, since if it released a gamma ray burst, high-energy light particles could indirectly wipe out life on our planet.